walk you through how to place a credit spread order on the TD Ameritrade platform. So for this example, we will be using the trade algo alert right here, SPY, this strategy. And again, you can use this for the text, email, and Discord alerts as well. But again, what we do is we go to our TD Ameritrade platform, we log in, we click on the trade account. Under trade, we scroll down to options, we click options, and now we are here. So once we're under the trade options tab, the first one we want to do is select our strategy. So we come here, and again, on every alert, it will tell you if it is a put credit spread or a call credit spread. This one right here is a put credit spread. So we come into here, we go on to order type, we go on to vertical put spread. If it was a call, we do vertical call spread, but a vertical put spread. Next, we want to look up the symbol the alert is telling us to do. So for instance, the alert here is SPY, SPY. So we're coming here into the underlying symbol, type in SPY, and then click on open options chain. Now, in order to see what we want to see, we're going to move these strikes from 10 to all. So once we've done that, then we want to come back to our alert and look at what is our expiration date. Our expiration date is March 10th, 2023. So we're going to come in here and we're going to put expiration March 10th, 2023. Next, we need to know what expirations or what strike prices should we be following. This one's a 383, 382. That means we're going to sell the 383 and buy the 382 of the put contracts. So we simply come in here and find 383, 382. So if I scroll, we have right here 383, 382. So I'm simply going to click on this. We're going to click on the bid price because that's the price you sell for. Right here, now I have the contract set up and everything here. I can see that I'm going to be selling to open the 383 and buying to open the 382. You can see here a net credit of 1 penny. I can have my time enforcement. If you're trading today, then if you can place the order in immediate real time, then again, you can place day if the market is open. If you're more trading full time and you're putting on this trade after hours, simply go into good till cancel with your premium order price, and that can be what you do. Now again, this is not a trade you want to put on right now because it's a net credit of 0.01 or a penny. Again, you want to try to collect 15 cents or more, and that is the goal for every single trade. This trade's been open for a week now, so again, the trade is almost closed, and that's why it's around a penny. But that is how you place a vertical call spread or a credit spread on TD Ameritrade.